If you're just starting out on your freelance or self-employed career, one of the things I would strongly advise, and this is again learning from my own mistakes and bad experiences, is focus on generating revenue at the start instead of your outgoings. The easiest thing to do when you become self-employed is to spend money. Everybody wants it off you. There's all these tools that you can use in terms of, depending on what services you provide. If you're a digital marketer like myself, there's so many different softwares out there. You can obviously invest in a really fancy website, various different bits of technology to help you do your job. Now, there is value in all of those things at the right time and in the right scale for what your operations are. But what you'll realize is you don't actually need very many of those things to be able to do your job. If you've got a working laptop and you have access to certain programs that you need to be able to deliver your service that you're providing to potential clients, essentially you're there. You don't necessarily need all the accounting software and all these other bits. Again, they all add value over time as you grow your business, but really try to focus on generating the revenue first to pay for these things, rather than at the start signing up for subscriptions left, right, and center and software and purchasing technology and everything else like that, because actually then you really put yourself under a lot of pressure to bring on business, whereas you can actually just focus your time on generating some revenue step by step, building up your client base, increasing that revenue, so then you feel more comfortable and established. And of course, at that point, you may bring in a tool that makes your life slightly easier. You may bring in some accounting software, which makes things a bit more organized for you. You may invest in some good technology in terms of equipment that you use day to day, which is going to make things a bit more effective. So that's absolutely makes sense at that point. But you can easily get into the trap of spending money early days to set everything up perfectly and then thinking, wow, I actually don't have that much business to bring in. So focus your efforts on generating the revenue, and then over time look at some of the things you can bring in to help you optimize the way you deliver your services.